Oh, fucking shit. Oh,
I heard it too.
Yes.
All the way out.
Oh!
Sorry.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
She's ready. Put those hands right here and just relax. I gotta get this on here somehow, some way. There we go. Already, boom, boom, boom. She's already popping and clicking. Too much tension, too much pressure. Sacrum is the keystone of your spine. Diamond-shaped bone. Your tailbone is at the bottom. Your hips lock in here. The more you sit on that, the more compressed it becomes, and you creep up. The more you bend over at the waist without bending your knees, this gets all tight. See, it's tighter on the left side. She's already like, what the hell?
It sounds like a rocket ship.
Yep, like a rocket. That's it. It's a rocket ship.
Oh.
I'm gonna send you into space. Good. Wow, boom, already.
Heard that.
Jeez. Turn to this side, face me. Wow, she's already got
I heard it too.
right here. Bend this leg up towards you. Get this one right here. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna put that right there. Get this here. And then shoulder hinge, get back. Right there. Right here. You're gonna come a little more towards me. Right there. All the way through, good rotation.
Oh, fuck. Shit, feels so good. Wow. I've been wanting to crack that for a long time.
You finally got it, but that's it. That's the problem, pressure, tension, and stress. Other side.
Wow.
That's the pressure, tension, and stress built up over time.
Oh, that feels so good.
Let's stand up. Awesome. Put your back against that pad. Tuck that chin. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. That's the wow. Relax. Put your head back, shoulders back. Breathe deep. Fill those lungs up with air. When not breathing correctly, sitting, bad posture, slumped over, diaphragm is stuck, lungs are stuck. Gotta breathe deep every day. 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes in the afternoon, 2 minutes at night, less stress. Boom. You good? Mm-hmm. You're gonna come sit right there.
Straight?
Yep. All right. Hang those arms over the side. Nice and relaxed. Got to get the base of that skull. Oh, this is all tight right here. Yep. Drop that shoulder right here. Nice and relaxed. Oh, she's stuck. Drop that head back here to that hand. See that? That's how much. Wow. That's how much tension.
I know.
Right here.
Oh, fucking shit.
Oh, I heard it too.
Yes. That was good.
That's awesome.
That was really good.
All that pressure. Drop right here. Nice and relaxed.
Oh.
That's it. Wow.
Oh, see, look, I can like move my neck now.
Turn. Range of motion is better.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Still drop right here. Yeah. Drop right here.
Oh, Wednesday.
Oh, shit. Shit.
Yep.
Yeah.
You can say that again.
That was it.
Come lie on your back, face up.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel so good.
Good. We're ready.
We didn't even get started yet.
Oh shit.
It feels so good.
Give me those hands. Stretch. Breathe.
Will she need stabilization?
No, she's good.
She's good? Alright.
She's good. Put that head up. That head back. Decompress right down the midline. Take a deep breath in, all the way out.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Oh my God, that sounds so good.
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh shit. You feel it all in your spine. Oh my gosh. That was good. That was really good.
Awesome. All that pressure. Pressure tension stress.
That was really good.
She needed it.
Wow.
Nice and relaxed. See all the way through. Wow. Stay right here.
You look taller.
She does. She's
She does.
taller.
Oh my
Put you back to where you're
God.
supposed to be
Yeah.
from being slumped over. Look how upright she is here.
Yeah.
Shoulders are back. Head is higher.
Oh my god, my neck.
The hands relax. A little closer. Okay, good. Not as far out in front. Her hands were so far out in front before. How do you feel right now?
Amazing. Amazing.
And you said you could move your neck.
Heck yeah.
Okay. But we got to stop sleeping on this right shoulder.
I know.
We got to fix that a little bit. Pressure, tension, and stress gone from her spinal nervous system right now. At least 98% of it gone. And that's what adjustments do. Take pressure, tension, and stress off your spinal nervous system so you move better, feel better, live better. Stop letting the orthopedist tell you anything different.
Awesome. Thank you.
Boom. Never be afraid to get adjusted.
Thank you. Oh my
Seriously.
God.